Fixed or removable, how each affects eating, speech, and cleaning. The differences in a snap-in denture and a fixed bridge. With that snap-in denture, there's still fear that when you sneeze, it could go flying across the room. Very embarrassing socially. A fixed bridge, you don't worry about any of that stuff. It's not rubbing, it's not moving around, so your gums aren't gonna get sore. You're not gonna be at our office all the time having adjustments. You literally leave on the first day with permanent teeth. They do not come in and out. Whereas snap-in, we've got you healing for a little while first because the implants are not all connected together. When we have multiple implants splinted together on day one, they function as one unit. That's how we can give you permanent teeth in a single setting. A snap-in, they're still individual soldiers. So we're concerned about them being overloaded, so you have to heal with a regular denture. That is frustrating. Even once you get the snap-in, it still moves around, stuff still gets underneath it. So it's a frustrating experience. Though it is better than conventional dentures, snap-in, you're still worried about it, you're still conscious of it, where a fixed bridge, those fears are over.